we're back, and we made this volcano here. Supposed to use baking soda and vinegar. I don't really know if it works anymore, so I'm just gonna dump it. Hopefully, ready? Okay, let's dump the vinegar. Everyone, we're gonna run back. We're gonna run back, everyone. Ready? Whoa! It works! How'd that work?
They're really good.
So, can I
Wow.
fire up more?
Whoa!
I'm gonna touch it. Dexter's have it.
Whoa!
Touch it.
I touched it.
Okay, guys.
If
Okay.
it's kind of
We
weird.
gotta put more baking soda in.
Yeah.
That's the way we gotta.
Way more.
Where's my right tablespoon? The right tablespoon is.
We need a lot in there to make it awesome.
What do you think looks good?
Yeah!
It's good.
Vinegar, baking soda, that's not taste good.
Yeah.
It's a lot in there, Jaden. It's a lot in there.
It's coming up. Whoa! This is a real volcano.
Now put a lot in there. Put a lot of vinegar.
Ellie, stop it! Whoa!
Whoa!
Okay, let me use a bigger one. That might make it better. Okay, last time. Let's see if this one we can make this one big. Ellie, stop it. Okay. Like the fizzies go away.
Don't let anything fall out.
Okay, are you ready?